guys, welcome back to the channel. I am your girl Decenta who loves things all on sale, and if you're new here, we talk about everything that does not break the bank. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, come on in, come on. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So as you can see, we're in my bathroom, and what we're doing today is we are repurposing my bathroom. It is Black History Month. I don't know if it'll still be Black History Month by the time this video get out, but if we're being real, Black History Month is every month, okay? So I kind of wanted to shake things up in my bathroom here and just be reminded of a lot of things right now, especially in the days that we are living in. And I wanted to just do my whole thing and use things that I already have in my house, rearrange and make it work. So we're gonna start off with this bathroom. As you can see, these pictures, I'm gonna take you along the way and my thought process and just me like going through everything. I'll probably start with these two pictures. These were in my living room, and I decided to take them down and put them in another place. I really just got tired of just looking at them right there. Like, I don't like things to stay put for a long time. I like to like jazz it up. So that's what I did here. What's wrong? You want to say hi? All right guys, so we are in the water bathroom here, and I want to like take these flowers. These flowers have been up here for like 3 years, so I kind of want it to be like a African tribe theme now. I think this was good while it lasted. I painted the wall black, so it's gonna go along with my theme. And these are y'all. So what we're gonna do is use a dry eraser on the spots and see if that kind of clears it up, which I think it will. It's okay because I eventually need to paint over this whole wall, so alright guys, so here is, I kind of was putting and playing around with like different things that I have in my house. Like, this is probably not going to be the final, but this is what it looks like, like painted over. Y'all, I have to do this over because I can see like this big paint. I'm gonna have to do that over, definitely. But yeah, we're gonna just play around with some decor that I already have. No, we are repurposing the bathroom and we are using the things that we already have. Okay, we're not going to the store to buy anything. And again, y'all, I'm going for like a African type vibe. So let's do it. Let's see how it looks. So I know I'm gonna take this out. And I'm probably not going to leave that there. This is what I had in my bedroom. And it's just like a ball. Thought it was cute. I normally use some of this as like storage. But I have like a car area. But y'all see that? You see the light, how it... Yeah. I'm really not focused on this because I'm going to cover this up anyway. So, yeah. But this is what I have. This, and then I think I got these from Ross. and this right here. And then I'm thinking about right here to offset the brown, like all of the blackness to it. All right, y'all, so I grabbed this from downstairs. I'm gonna put it right here.
A tropical African thing?
Yeah.
What you think you missing?
Then I have this where I grabbed this downstairs. I got this from Ross for $12.99. I'm definitely gonna go to Rose's because they got a lot of African stuff. So I'm gonna put this right here. And then I grabbed this from Marcus' office. It's kind of, you know, give it a little greenery effect. I'll probably cut it, or what do you think? Should we cut it? What you think, Max? Cut that, and then we'll probably put something right here, and then something right here. What do you think?
It's good.
Y'all, Marcus.
I really touched it. You probably can find something more African.
What, this guy?
Yeah. You probably can find something.
You don't think he's African? He's not giving African?
No, that's not giving it. I think it's different from the vibe you're going with. It's more of a thinking man type thing.
I'm going to show you guys where I'm grabbing these two pictures from. This is my bathroom downstairs, and I know I'm going to have to replace it, but I need to use these two pictures, and I'm going to show y'all what I'm going to do. But yeah, this is my bathroom that I'm redoing the whole thing, so stay tuned on that one. I don't know if I'm going to put it in this one, but let me remove it off of the wall, y'all. Alright guys, so this is what we have so far. So I moved these two, and my nail is missing, but these two I moved from downstairs to up here, and then I added this elephant. You know, it's given safari, you know, I like that. And then it's given abstract, and this is the best seat in the house, okay? And then I kept these two, and then you guys seen that, and then I added these two. So this is, instead of like turning on the light every time you go into the bathroom, this is like a touch light. Okay. So, you know, like when it's late and you don't want this bright light, you can just touch that, it'll be a dim. I'll show you guys how it look at night. So I wanted to show you guys how it looks with the light on. So this little light gives it, like, you can already see the toilet. And then you can dim it brighter. And this is the setting that it is. So if I get up and I need to use the bathroom, I can just come in and get it and go about my business. I thought this would be like a cute little touch. And then this candle, y'all go buy this candle. I'm gonna link it. This is the only candle line that I'm able to burn in my house. It is black on, so definitely please go check them out, y'all. Support your Black history. And yeah, I like how it's looking here. And I want to be extra and add some more stuff to this. But y'all, I'm really gonna leave it like this because it's just a water room. So I think I'm just gonna leave it like this. But what I want to add is, like, you know, if you guys watch my video from Marcus' room that I did these three like stripe, it's like 3 stripe marks. I want to put that in here, but I'm just gonna leave it like this. Just gonna leave it like this. It's so cute. Alright guys, so I wanted to show you the final here. This is how it turned out. I don't know if you guys noticed, but this is from Trader Joe's. This is actually real. It's a eucalyptus plant here, and it smells so amazing. And then this is what I decided with the pictures. I think it turned out really, really good here. I don't know if you've seen this, but this is like an air freshener. I thought that this would be super cute to put inside So it kind of, let me see if it'll come on while I am on here with you guys. See, it comes out. How awesome is that, y'all? So everything I had already, y'all, I didn't go out to buy anything. I made everything work, and you can definitely do the same too. I'm going to show you another part of my bathroom. I'm not 100% done, so I'll show you guys. I'll make another video to show you guys when I get 100% done, because I'm doing a lot of things to this bathroom. So definitely stay tuned on that. But let me show y'all what I did with my other pictures here. But yes, this is the final of the water bathroom. I'm going to keep the light off in this room, but I just kind of wanted to show you what I did with these pictures. So these pictures were originally in my living room, and I just kind of got tired of them in that area. So I was like, okay, how can I repurpose and use these? Because I really love these. And you know, we're in Black History month, and we already know Black History is every month, but I felt like, you know, I needed some reminder. I need some inspiration. And so I think that this is really good right here. And y'all, these two, it is the same. They came in like a four set. But what I think I'm going to do is spray paint this black and then just have this like this. I think I'm gonna like that better. And this, let me go back a little bit, and this is how it turned out. I love these pictures right here. Oh my god, I love them. And I can't wait for you guys to see what I have in store for the rest of the bathroom. But stay tuned. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and comment below what you like about repurposing your items that you already have in your house. If you ever have trouble, y'all let me know in the comments, and I can definitely help you out. I love how this came out. It's super dope. Alright guys, see you on the next video.